Lecture number 12, amines का basic nature. Same, let us start with the very first. As we said, amines are basic in nature. They are weak base. Now let us proceed with the same points. Let us continue with it. All these points are very important, need to be understood. See, the reaction I have written, the same reaction, amines when reacting with water, it is forming RNH3, where it is a reversible reaction and it is OH minus ions are set free. Now, we apply the law of mass action over here. So, by applying the law of mass action, you know what is law of mass action? It is K is equal to the active mass of the products divided by the active mass of the reactants. Okay, that is K. Then, the concentration of water, it is constant. So, I take it on the left hand side, that will be equal to Kb. That is the dissociation constant of a base. Agar acid hai, it will be Ka, that is the dissociation constant of an acid. Okay, so what is Kb? Kb will be equal to the same. Baki everything remains same. Now remember, the Kb value is more, the basicity is more. Kb value is more, the basicity is more. Different, one point, one by one you need to remember these points. pKb is what? pKb is negative log of Kb. Negative log मतलब 1 upon that. So pKb value जितना कम रहेगा उतना उसका basicity would be more. The same things I had explained in phenols. Ka value is more, basicity is more. See, all this you may have in MCQs. Ka value jitna, Ka with respect to acid, Kb with respect to base. So, Kb value jitna more, basicity is more. pKb value jitna kam, basicity is more. Now, next, in the gaseous phase. In the gaseous phase, the basicity of amines. See, what is the basicity of amines in the gaseous phase? I have written all the structures of ammonia, primary, secondary, tertiary. Maximum, see, listen, the very first and the only thing you need to remember. Why amines are basic in nature? Amines basic in nature क्यों है? The only thing, they are Lewis base. बस बात खत्म. They are Lewis base. So, Lewis base का मतलब क्या? They have a tendency to donate electrons. Okay? They have a tendency to donate electrons. Okay, now listen. Everyone. कौन कौन बच्चे क्लास में? अथर्व है और बाकी सबके I don't remember your names. I remember your face. But I can remember अथर्व's name. मुझे अथर्व को 1 लाख रुपया देने का है. Okay, I have to give 1 lakh to अथर्व. उसके लिए मेरे पास I should have more amount of money, right? Maximum money मेरे पास होना चाहिए तो ही मैं अथर्व को देगी पैसा. That means what? The nitrogen यहाँ पे in this case it should be rich in electrons. उसका electron density should be more. समझा? The electron density should be more. Alkyl groups क्या करेंगे? They are all electron releasing groups. तो the tertiary amines they have got a maximum inductive effect. Why? Nitrogen is electron releasing group. So the electron nitrogen जो tertiary amines में है that is electron rich. Maximum electron density. So according to inductive effect, in the gaseous phase, the basicity of amines is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. The basic nature of amines in the gaseous state is tertiary, then secondary, then primary. This is in the gaseous state. Aqueous state में same है क्या? No. Aqueous state में it is altogether different. So you have to remember in case of amines that aqueous aqueous state में we will see the reason for it. Why is it so? But now at this point, just try to understand. Aqueous state में the basicity of amines secondary greater than primary greater than tertiary. I repeat, secondary greater than primary greater than tertiary in case of amines in the aqueous state. What is the reason for it? We proceed in the next lecture. Okay.